So in Metcalfe at the Holden Museum, got up some lunch at the Metcalfe Reserve. We've had a ton of rain in central Victoria, and some of the towns like Rochester are unfortunately going to be flooded for a second time. We decided to have a look at some of the rivers and waterfalls. We're heading to where, Joey?
Metcalfe.
Metcalfe. And so at Metcalfe they've got the Cascades. Normally they're just like water holes that you can swim in, but I think that with the rain coming over it should be good. So we've had to be careful how we get there, because a lot of the roads have been blocked off because of flooding. So hopefully we just missed the turn off there. It's back there. So we need to turn around.
Let's go back up the road and...
That's okay. You should keep going because it's quite funny. So we missed the turn off because we're too busy talking to you guys. So the little green sign there says Metcalfe, and we turn right down here. I think we're on the right road. So in Metcalfe at the Holden Museum, Jason actually is the collector here. He's got lots and lots of paddock salvaged vehicles here. Inside they've got lots of restored Holdens and memorabilia. So if you're in Metcalfe, it's a good idea if you come down. They're open on weekends mainly, or by invitation, $10 an adult. I had a stone card like that, and yeah, but I believe these are just the ones from the paddocks. The ones inside have been restored or in really good original condition, but well worth a look. There's an old HR wagon. There's a shooting vehicle, that one. So this is the Cascades at Metcalfe. Definitely a lot more water in than normal. Well, it's actually quite a pleasant day. There's certainly a lot of things happening in Metcalfe. We've got the Metcalfe Music Bash. It's on Sunday the 25th of February 2024. 8 bands, 11 AM to 5:30, live music all day, adults $10, children free, market stalls, sausage sizzles and food vendors. So it looks like a good place to come. This is the Metcalfe Recreation Reserve where we're going to have lunch, and I believe there's some facilities down there, and also it's the home of the Metcalfe Vintage Tractor Pull wood chop in September. So might have to come back in September and check it out. So this is actually halfway between Metcalfe and down to the Cascades. So it's just on the main road here, so it's good access. Got some lunch at the Metcalfe Reserve. Brand new barbecues. You've got play area up there for the kids, tennis courts, and also you've got toilets. And it's all free. Very nice. Someone has to do it. Bit of bacon. Got heaps of bacon here, shall we? Oh, okay, be careful then. Bit of onion. And that's it. Good job.